Page number 203. Page number 203. Page number 203. SAQ, ninth problem. The sum of the two numbers is 15. Find the numbers sum of their squares is minimum. Let x comma y be the two numbers given. Sum of the numbers is 15. That means x plus y equal to 15. That implies y value 15 minus x. Next, find the values when sum of their squares. Sum of their squares. Let s equal to x square plus y square. Find the numbers when s is given minimum. S is given minimum. So there are two variables, x and y. So remove y by using this value. S equal to x square 15 minus x whole square. So it is either maximum or minimum. First derivative is 0. So calculate ds by dx. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of power function 2 into x power 2 minus 1. Derivative of the internal function 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So finally 2x. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 15 minus x. So 2x minus 30 minus into minus plus 2x. 4x minus 30. So it is either maximum or minimum. First derivative must be equal to 0. Given s is minimum. Therefore ds by dx equal to 0. So 4x minus 30 equal to 0. 4x value 30. X value 30 by 4. 2 table cancel. 15 by 2. Next we want y value. Substitute in 1. So from 1 y value 15 minus 15 by 2. 2 LCM 30 minus 15. So y value is also equal to 15 by 2. So both are x value and y value. Both are equal to 15 by 2. Next, 10th problem. Similar problem. See, given sum of the two numbers is 60. Sum of numbers are x and y. So given statement is x plus y equal to 60. Y value 60 minus x. So find the two positive numbers when x y cube is maximum. If it is maximum or minimum, procedure is same. First remove this y, same as above problem. 60 minus x whole cube. So calculate first derivative ds by dx. UV formula u dash v plus v dash u dash v plus v dash u. X derivative 1, 60 minus x whole cube. Derivative of the power function 3 into 60 minus x whole square. Derivative of the power function, derivative of the internal function, x derivative of constant 0, derivative of minus x minus 1. This x is this one. Take 60 minus x whole square common. 60 minus x whole square common. So remaining 60 minus x. This is the common term. Remaining is minus 3x. So 60 minus x whole square, 60 minus 4x, 60 minus 4x. Next, it is maximum or minimum. First derivative is 0. ds by dx equal to 0. 60 minus x whole square, 60 minus 4x equal to 0. From this one, x value 60 or 60 equal to 4x. X value 60 by 4, 15. It is not possible. Why? Given x plus y value 60. So suppose x value 60, there is no y value. So it is not possible. Substitute x equal to 15 in the first equation. Y equal to 60 minus x. X value 15. So y value 45, x value 15, y value 45, y value 45. Next, 10th Roman, second problem. See that one. Find the two positive numbers whose sum is 24 and product is as large as possible. Large means maximum. Product. So let x comma y. let x comma y be positive numbers. Given sum is 24, same as above. Y value 24 minus x. Given both x and y are positive. Next, take their products. S equal to their product x into y. So, remove this y value by using equation number 1. X into y value 24 minus x. So, S value 24x minus x square. Take first derivative. ds by dx 24 x derivative 1 x square derivative 2x. Given S is a maximum, so ds by dx equal to 0. So 24 minus 2x equal to 0. 24 equal to 2x. X value 24 by 2. 12. So from first equation, y value 24 minus x. So y value is also equal to 12. So they are the required numbers. X value 12 and y value is also equal to 12. Next, LAQ1. LAQ1. See that problem? Find the maximum area of the rectangle. Given its perimeter is 20. Perimeter is 20. Listen. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Let x comma y be the dimensions of the rectangle. Given its perimeter is 20. Find the maximum area. So its perimeter x plus y plus x plus y. This is the perimeter. Given perimeter is a 20. So let x comma y be the dimensions of the rectangle. Given perimeter x plus y plus x plus y, x plus y plus x plus y is given 20. So 2x plus 2y equal to 20. 2 table cancel. X plus y equal to 10. Y value 10 minus x. Find the maximum area. So area formula L into B. L into B. So area A equal to L into B. X into y. Where y value 10 minus x. So A equal to 10x minus x square multiply with this x. So dA by dx, derivative of x value 1, derivative of x square 2x. So a to be maximum dA by dx equal to 0. 10 minus 2x equal 0. 10 equal to 2x. X value 5. From 1 y value 10 minus x, 10 minus 5. So y value is also equal to 5. So they are the dimensions of the rectangle. So its area, maximum area equal to x into y. 5 into 5, 25 square units. 25 square units. Area equal to x into y. 5 into 5, 25 square units. 25 square units. Next,